This meeting is being recorded.
Hi, my name is Ajay Kadala, the roll number MEC 234016. So today I'll be discussing the next-gen cloud security with agentic large models revolutionizing the threat detection. So let's go and deep dive into the subject. So this is a table of contents that I have prepared for the slides. So let's go one by one into deep. So this is the overview and the need for modern cloud security. Uh, so basically in today's digital landscape, cloud security is more important than ever. So we rely on cloud services for everything from data storage to business applications. However, the increasing sophistication of cyber threats poses significant challenges to traditional security methods. So this is often struggle to keep us this presentation, so we'll introduce the agentic large language models, which is also called as the LLMs, and their potential to transform the cloud security. We'll also explore how LLMs can enhance threat detection and automate the response mechanisms, providing a robust defense against modern cyber threats. So moving to the next slide. So yeah, let's try to understand the agentic LLMs. So what are agentic LLMs? So there are advanced AI models. So basically, these are nothing but advanced AI models capable of understanding and generating the human like text. They are designed to comprehend complex patterns, learn from the vast amounts of data, and make autonomous decisions within set parameters. For example, GPT-4 is one of the most well-known LLMs we are hearing these days. So this can process and generate text that is remarkably similar to what a human might produce. So this capability allows LLMs to perform tasks such as natural language understanding, pattern detection, and autonomous decision making, making the incredibly versatile tools in the cybersecurity domain. Yeah, moving on to the next slide. So yeah, core features of the agentic LLMs. So there are it comes with various core features that make them suitable for cloud security. The first one is they excel in the natural language understanding, which enables them to process and interpret the text data effectively. This is very crucial for analyzing communication patterns and detecting anomalies. Second, they are adept to pattern detection, so identifying unusual behaviors that may indicate a security threat. And the third one is the autonomous decision making capabilities, allowing them to respond to threats without human intervention. So additionally, LLMs also highly scalable, able to handle large data set efficiently, and they can continuously learn and adapt to new threats, ensuring they remain effective as the threat landscape evolves. So moving on to the next slide. So yeah, basically here we discuss the applications of cloud security. Uh, the agentic LLMs enhance the detection and the response capabilities in cloud security significantly. So one of the key applications is in threat detection, where they can identify potential security breaches by analyzing vast amounts of data in real time. Another critical application is automated response. By responding to threats autonomously, LLMs can mitigate risk quickly and reduce the impact of cyber incidents. So these capabilities can be seamlessly integrated with existing security frameworks, providing an additional layer of protection and enhancing overall security posture. Yeah, moving on to the next slide for threat detection and automated threat response. So yeah, agentic LLMs have more advantages in several areas. So the first one is the anomaly detection. So they monitor the traffic and user behaviors for unusual patterns that might indicate a security threat. For example, if an LLM notices a spike in data transfer at an unusual time, it can flag this as a potential anomaly. And the next one is phishing detection. So by analyzing emails and messages for suspicious content, LLMs can identify and block phishing attempts. They can detect subtle cues that might escape traditional security measures. And the next one is malware detection. So LLMs can scrutinize code and network behaviors to detect the malware. They also have advantage in the incident response. Basically, they isolate the affected systems and block malicious IPs in real time, so preventing the spread of the threats and minimizing the damage. They also ensure the policy enforcement with compliance with security policies by automating enforcement actions. This reduces the need for manual intervention and ensures the security protocols are consistently followed. Yeah. Moving on to the next slide on the challenges. So, despite their potential, agentic LLMs come with the challenges and risks. So, these are including data privacy and compliance. So, this is very standard and crucial. This involves managing how data is collected, processed, and storaged. And the next one is a model bias and fairness. So, basically, addressing the potential biases in training data is essential to ensure unbiased decision making. So biases in data can lead to unfair or inaccurate outcomes, right? So yeah, so the next challenge is the scalability and performance. So managing computational resources to handle large data sets effectively is a challenge. So ensuring the LLMs perform efficiently at scale is critical for their success. Yeah. Moving on to the next slide. Let's go into the risk and mitigations. There are also specific risks associated with agentic LLMs. The first one is the false positives, which is also called as false negatives. The accuracy of threat detection is crucial. False positives can lead to unnecessary alerts, which while false negatives can result in missed threats. And the next one is the adversarial attacks. So malicious actors may attempt to manipulate the model, posing a significant risk. So here the adversarial attacks can exploit vulnerabilities in LLMs to bypass security measures. And the next one is the over reliance on the automation. So while automation is beneficial, over reliance on it is can be a problematic. It's important to maintain a balance between the automated systems and human oversight to ensure the comprehensive security. Yeah, moving on to the benefits of LLMs. So basically, they are significant in enhancing the enhanced detection capabilities. They can significantly identify the complex threats that traditional methods might miss, providing a higher level of security. And the next one is the scalability, handling large volumes of data efficiently, ensuring that security measures can scale with the size of the organization. And the last one is the improved efficiency, streamlining security operations by automating routine tasks, allowing security teams to focus on more strategic activities. Yeah, moving on to the future directions. Looking ahead, there are exciting future directions for agentic LLMs. So the first one is the improved contextual understanding. So yeah, enhancing accuracy by reducing the false positives, ensuring that LLMs can better understand the context of the data by analyze. So and the next one is the adaptive learning, enabling real-time adoption to evolving threats, ensuring that LLMs remain effective as the threat landscape changes. And the next one is the regulatory compliance, automating compliance processes to ensure adherence to regulations, reducing the burden on security teams and ensuring that organizations remain compliant with legal requirements. Yeah. Now let's get back to into a few of the real world examples. So the first one is the financial sector. So in the financial sector, Agentic LLMs have been used to detect the phishing campaigns. So this led to the reduced incident response by 40% and decreased phishing related incidents by 25%. By analyzing communication patterns and identifying the suspicious emails, LLMs have significantly enhanced the security of the financial institutes. One more real-time example is in the healthcare domain. Basically, is they helped in the automated incident response to the ransomware. So this helped to minimize the downtime and protect sensitive pets. Also reduce the 50% in recovery cost, 35% in the empowerment in system uptime during incidents. Yeah, this is all I have for the presentation today. Thank you very much.